Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Wednesday. Alright, so very quickly right off the bat is what I see for SLP is the following. You went to the downside and you've made a bear flag for SLP, right? So basically this is not a good sign, and that's actually a continuation that you're going to go way more down. So the technical target for SLP from there to there is going to be here, and that's going to take you down to 290 level. But remember one thing, this is also in play down here to 227, and that's actually another bearish pattern that I talked about previously, which was bearish rectangle. So if you talk about the bearish rectangle, that's actually going to take you way more down. But at the moment, the 4-hour bear flag is actually taking you down where to, that's going to be nearly here, which is going to be 290 level. So the stops are not over, the dumps are not finaled at the moment. I do think there's a lot of dumps pending to the downside, but it is what it is, and this is going to be a very quick one. So let's reach 290. Once we reach 290, we're going to see if it's interested to go even way lower or not. And that's it for the update, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.